Dengar suara saya?
Hi, good evening. How are you today?
I'm fine.
What did you do before this simulation class?
Sorry.
What did you do before this simulation class?
Sorry, belum lancar, Miss.
Oh ya, jadi apa yang dilakukan sebelum simulation class ini?
I'm work in my office.
Oh, okay, great. Where is your office then?
Yeah, main office in Batam, in Nagoya.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to introduce myself first. My name is Antonia Teva. This one might sound unfamiliar because not many people are having that name, but you could simply call me Annie. I graduated from Monash University, Australia, and today I'm going to do the simulation class with you. So could you please introduce yourself to me?
Okay, my name is Ignatius Guma Octavianto. I'm a graduate from Parahyangan University, and I stay in Batam City.
Oh, okay. So how does it feel living in Batam? Bagaimana rasanya tinggal di Batam?
Okay, my feel is because I stay in Batam from SMP, junior high school ya.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm comfortable with stay in Batam.
Oh, okay, that's great. Why do you want to take this class?
Yeah, because I need to memperlancar bicara saya secara Inggris. Because my work I will meet with the foreign people and maybe need email with the English language and talk with English language. So because my grammar is not good, so I need the
Okay.
Okay. Like that.
Do you meet foreign people every day?
No, every day, but maybe my superior will foreign people.
Okay. So that's why you need English language to be able to talk to them.
Yes, that's right.
So what else, besides speaking to them and also writing email, is there any other thing that you would like to learn?
Yeah, because I'm maybe prepare the draft of the agreement and the draft of sale order minutes of sale order. So if my language and grammar is not good, is so funny. Superior read, what is like this.
So what is your hobby?
Yeah, my hobby is only watching film. Cinema.
What kind of movie do you like to watch?
Yeah, my movie I like to watch is maybe Iron Man or Marvel film.
Have you watched Spider-Man No Way Home?
Not yet.
Okay.
Maybe I will watch.
Do you like traveling?
No, before I like traveling, but now because pandemic, I don't like to go anywhere.
How is the weather in your place?
Yes.
How about the weather in your place?
Cuaca ya, Miss?
Yeah.
Yeah, the weather is in Batam is hot because this is the island. So yeah, very hot. Then other than Java lah.
Ah, okay. So from all the places in Indonesia, which city or which island that you have visited before?
Sorry.
From all the places, from all the places in
Yeah.
Indonesia, which island have you visited?
Oh, I visit in Java, in Kalimantan, in Sumatra. I have visited.
What about going to eastern part of Indonesia?
Eastern part. sorry. Timur ya, Miss?
Yeah.
Not yet.
You have to come to my place. You will definitely have a whale of a time here.
Where are you placed?
I am from East Nusa Tenggara, Kupang.
Oh, you from Kupang.
Yeah.
I am not yet go to Kupang.
Okay, since you would like to learn about writing emails, so I'm going to do this one.
Yeah.
Take a look at this one.
Okay.
This is about sending emails. So I want you to read this email, and then we are going to discuss these questions here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, have you done?
Yes, I have.
Okay, let us go with this one.
Okay.
From the reading of the email, who is Mark? Who do you think Mark is?
I think maybe the neighbor.
Okay, probably the neighbor. What does Carol mean by the usual crowd? So what does usual crowd mean?
What? Sorry. What the means of crowd? Sorry.
Oh, crowd means there are too many people there.
Oh, too many people there.
Yeah. So what does the usual crowd mean? In the email, Carol mentioned usual crowd here. All of the usual crowd is coming. So what does usual crowd mean? In your opinion, what does usual crowd mean?
Sorry. Sorry, I cannot answer.
Oh, okay, no worries. So here, what words does she use to refer to her parents in a friendly way? What about this one? What words does she use to refer to her parents in a friendly way from the email?
From the email, maybe sorry, I cannot answer to.
Okay, next one. Okay. What time does the barbecue start?
The barbecue start.
From the email, what time?
The dinner is maybe night 8 o'clock.
Okay, great. So usual crowd means that those who usually come, like if you have a party and then there will be like 5 or 6 people go there, and then if you have another one and then they go there, that is called usual crowd.
Oh, okay.
And then the word that Carol used to refer to her parents in friendly way is my oldest. Oldest.
Okay.
This one refers to her parents.
Oh, okay.
Let us go for another.
My oldest one. Sorry, Miss.
Parents.
Yeah. Oh, the oldest is the meaning is
parents.
What?
Parents.
Oh, parents. Oh, okay.
Okay, let us go for the second email. This one. Okay. This one is a bit different to the first one. So read this one first, and then we are going to discuss the question here.
Okay. Okay.
Have you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Who is Sarah?
Maybe her friend.
Okay, very good. Maybe her friend. What word does Carol use for the event? What word does Carol use to mention the event?
What word does Carol use for the event? Sorry, cannot answer. Sorry.
This one is the barbecue.
Okay.
The barbecue. Okay, let us talk about the third one. Is this email more informal than email to Angie? Which one do you think? Is this more informal compared to the previous one, or how do you think?
I think this email more informal. More formal.
Why do you say that this one is more formal?
Because yeah, because because I read the language is more formal. I don't know.
Very good. So it is
only like means too.
Oh, okay. Next one. This one. There are one more email. This one is for Auntie Anne. So read this one, and then we are going to discuss this, the same thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what about this one? This one is more formal compared to those previous two emails. So what makes this one more formal?
If I read, this is from the email from her sister or brother.
Okay. Why does Carol use more formal language with this person?
Okay,
what makes her using more formal language for this person?
I don't know. Sorry.
Oh yeah, no worries. So let me put it in your case. So if you emailing your friend and then emailing your supervisor, which one is more formal?
The more formal is my supervisor.
So for example, you are about to have a birthday party, and then you will send two invitations. One is for your friend, and then the other one is for your supervisor. What will you say to your supervisor?
Okay. Okay. Maybe I will ask you. Do you have a time to go to my party?
Oh, okay,
because,
great.
because I have any party in my house like that.
Okay. What about your friend? What will you say to your friend?
Oh, if my friend, I only, hey, come to my house.
Oh,
Go
okay.
to party.
Oh yeah. So the one is for your friend, it will be like direct and informal.
Yeah.
But for your supervisor, it will be like asking for like, do you have a time?
For the time from him, and after that I will ask.
Oh, okay. Now let us go for this one.
Okay.
So here, I want you to write down an invitation. You could simply type it down in the chat box. So this one is write an invitation to a friend. And then first, you have to start with saying hello. After that, you should explain why you haven't been in touch recently, and then give information about the party. What kind of party is that? Where and when? Does the person need to bring something? Who else coming to the event? And then before you finish, write something that encourages the person to come. And then finally, end your email by signing off.
Okay.
You could simply type it in the chat box. 5 minutes for this one.
Oh, okay.
Please wait a second. So you could simply type down anything that comes to your mind.
Okay.
As long as it is an invitation from you to your friend about an informal party, a party.
Oh, informal party, okay.
And then following the steps here, like first, hello. Second, like explain why you haven't been in touch recently. Like, I'm sorry, I have not been in touch with you recently because I am so busy.
Oh, okay.
Or like the internet connection in my place is not that good.
Oh, okay.
And then you have to give the information about where and when is the party, and then like write something. So for number 4, write something that encourages the person to come. So it's like, you have to come to my party because there will be your favorite food, or there will be a girl that you like, so you have to come to my party. That something that encourages the person to come.
Okay. Okay.
Have you done?
Yeah, I'm done. maybe it's not good.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. This one is the practice one only. Hello, I'm sorry because we're not keeping in touch before. Okay, because I'm busy in my office. Tomorrow I will make party in my house. Can you join us? Very good. Can you join us? Because the party will be fun. You can meet our old friend. I hope you can come to my party. Thank you. Okay, this one is good already. Since this one is an email to your friends, so this one is good already. Probably the grammar is that messy, but not that.
Yes, I know. because I cannot remember the grammar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the structure.
How do you usually send email then?
Yeah.
How do you usually make writing down the emails? So before this one, before
yeah.
this, did you send email to somebody using English language before?
Yes, before I'm send email using English language, I'm using the Google Translate, and my boss will correction my language, and I will send it only like.
Yeah, so after this one, you should write down your own email without Google Translate.
Yes, that because I need to listen.
Oh yeah. Okay. So far, do you have questions?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No, I don't have question.
Okay.
Ya, but mungkin saya bahasa Indonesia dulu ya, Miss.
Oh iya, ya.
Saya mungkin memang awalnya saya mungkin cerita dulu ya, Miss ya. Yeah. Awalnya memang dari dulu ya biar Missnya tahu kan.
Oh iya.
Dari dulu kalau dulu pendidikan itu memang bahasa Inggris bahasa yang paling nggak disuka sih, Miss. Jadi waktu kerja itu baru dipaksa atasan untuk bahasa Inggris, jadi ya pelan-pelan belajar, tapi ya hanya sifatnya seperti menerjemahkan dari kata ke kata. Tapi kalau untuk gambarnya, pembacaannya kadang salah-salah, kadang typo juga gitu-gitulah. Jadi bahasa yang saya gunakan seperti ketik ini yang biasa bahasa-bahasa yang saya pernah pakai, yang saya pernah pakai bahasa ini. Gitu.
Tapi
kayak
copy
paste. Iya.
Iya.
Tapi tidak mengkritik bahasa sendiri gitu, Miss. Oh, ini biasa bahasanya gini, jadi enak pakai bahasa apa, jadi bukan bahasa pikiran saya terjemahkan, tapi ini biasa bahasa yang dipakai.
Oh iya.
Jadi ini ya mungkin agak sabar sama saya, Miss.
Oh iya. Maaf, kalau boleh tahu bisa belajarnya, maksudnya kalau bisa belajar hari apa dan jam berapa?
Saya setiap hari bisa, cuman pulang kerja mungkin ya. Mungkin jam 6 tuh agak mepet sih, biasa jam 7 ke atas sih.
Kalau weekend?
Kalau Sabtu Minggu oke, bebas.
Oh, oke. Kalau Sabtu Minggu pagi, siang, sore?
Biasanya Sabtu itu agak siang, karena biasa sama orang tua ada kegiatan pagi. Ya kalau seminggu sih free sih. Karena kebetulan ya lagi ibadah online aja, jadi bisa jam berapa aja.
Oh iya benar. Sekarang kan lagi ke gerejanya online jadinya.
Iya, benar. Oke.
If you have no question, if you have no question,
No, I don't have question.
Since you have no question, thank you for joining me for the simulation class today. See you around.
Okay, thank you, Miss.